Today I'm going to show you how to add image masking in WordPress using Elementor, specifically with the latest features available in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create slick, custom-shaped image masks right inside Elementor, whether you're working with photos, videos, or even Google Maps embeds. This trick can instantly upgrade the look of your site, giving it a polished, modern feel that really pops. Let's jump right in. The best part is you don't need any extra plugins or coding. Elementor's own built-in mask feature makes this super easy. And as of January 2026, it's more flexible than ever. Start by opening up your page in the Elementor editor. Find the image you want to mask, just click on the image widget that you want to transform. If you're new to Elementor, the image widget is like a container that holds your picture. Clicking on it brings up all the editing options on the left side of your screen. Next, we're going to dig a little deeper. Look for the tab called Advanced in the left panel. This is where Elementor tucks away its more powerful features, so don't be afraid to explore. Click on Advanced and then slowly scroll down until you see the section labeled Mask. This feature is actually pretty recent, and it's one of the easiest ways to give your visuals a serious upgrade. Toggle the mask switch so it's set to on. This is the magic moment. The image will instantly react, and you'll see new options pop up. Don't worry if your image looks a little strange at first. Elementor is just overlaying the default mask, and you'll customize it next. Now you get to pick your mask shape. Elementor offers several sleek, ready-made shapes such as circle, flower, sketch, triangle, blob, or hexagon. Imagine transforming a basic photo into a perfect circle, a quirky blob, or even a hand-drawn look. It's like cropping but way more creative. Try clicking through the different shapes to see a live preview. For instance, using a flower shape can give a soft, playful feel, while hexagon offers a sharp, modern vibe. Take a moment to consider the mood or style of your page before choosing. But what if you want something totally unique? Elementor's got you covered. Just select Custom from the Shape dropdown, and you can upload your own SVG file or a transparent PNG. SVGs are great if you want crisp lines and scalable graphics. Maybe you've designed a custom logo or a special shape for your brand. Now you can use it to mask your images right here. If you don't have a graphic ready, there are tons of free SVG resources online. Or you could whip one up in a tool like Canva. Once your shape is chosen, it's time to fine-tune the mask settings for a perfect fit. Elementor lets you adjust size, so you can choose Fit to keep your image contained neatly within the mask, Fill if you wanted to cover the whole mask shape, or Custom for more control. Play with position like Center to shift your image exactly where you want it in the mask. The Repeat option controls if the mask pattern tiles itself, but for most photo applications you'll leave this off. Don't rush here, small tweaks can make a big difference. I often nudge the position a bit to make sure faces or important details are shown inside the mask, rather than cropped out. Preview and adjust as needed, and remember, it's totally normal to go back and forth a few times. And that's it. With Elementor's mask feature, customizing shapes for your images has never been easier. And you can get super creative without touching code. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or you want to share your own Elementor tips, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and love hearing from you. For more easy WordPress and Elementor tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy creating.